This video demonstrates the setup process from boxes to riding. Also pictured are the types of connectors used. First is the clamp and the next is the clevis pin. So first up, we're putting the front wheel to the frame, to the forks. Taking the bike out, putting the kickstand down, moving the brake to the other bike, the brake cables. Now what I'm doing is setting up a PVC spacer ball. Just slip it together and stick it between the two bikes, and it will put the bikes in the proper position for assembly. That's it, moving it into position. Now first up is the front connector ball. It just slips in. It has anti-rotation pins. So when you put it in, it's permanently affixed as long as it's clamped. There's two clamps, one on each side. I am clamping the first one. I must have caught the other one already. I didn't notice it. Now this is the rear connector ball. Now what I'm doing is just removing the spacers because I don't need them anymore. Oh, and that right there, that was the e-bike single-seater rear footrest. I had to remove it. Normally it wouldn't be there if you were just going straight to building a quad. So now I'm installing the rear connector ball. It has 3 clamps, 2 on the motor-driven bike and 1 on the secondary bike. And clamp. Picked up the kickstand. Now the kickstands aren't needed. Now I'm attaching the secondary bike's brake system or brake lever onto the motor-driven bike's steering handlebars. It is just a quick connect clamp also. That's connected. Now what I'm doing is getting actually a dummy bars for the passenger because they just stick in with a spring clip, and they also fold out and lock. So that was a part that was not mentioned. The handlebars are collapsible. So, but you seen me do it. It was you barely noticed it. Next up is the seat assembly. You just position it properly. Slide it forward, and then there's 2 clamps in the rear, and that's it. The seat is secure. And at that point, the Insta-Quad is ready to drive. I think I've done it in 3 minutes, maybe 4 at the tops. Oh. That's also the drag link. I forgot. I missed that. I'm kind of watching it as I go, and thought I had already done the drag link. The drag link is connected with 2 of the clevis pins. That's the only pins that are used in this assembly. Those 2 slip in. Now it's ready to ride. You put the key on. Well, you don't have to because it does not. I'm using it motorized there, but you could have pedaled.